Ever entered a film festival? No? Until 2024, I hadn't either. Here is everything you need to know to get started. Chances are, if you're watching this, you know what a film festival is. But in case you don't, in short, they're an online or physical event that celebrates film work with screenings, awards, nominations, showcases and/or networking. There are many reasons that you may want to enter one of these. These include the chance to showcase your work, get feedback, increase the value of your film with reviews, official laurels or awards. So, you've decided to enter a film festival. What do you do now? So, there is one main stop for entering film festivals, and that is Film Freeway. It's a great resource that provides access to many film festivals all in one place. The first thing you'll have to do is sign up for an account, which I'm sure you'll be able to manage. You most likely have thousands of accounts for all sorts of things by now. But Film Freeway isn't the only way to enter film festivals. Some like direct entries, which can be done directly through their website. You may still be able to hear about these on Film Freeway though. Once you've set up an account with Film Freeway, it's really quite simple to enter the festival. You create a project, add in your details, i.e. the film name, duration, statement from the director, behind the scenes images. Once you've done all that, you can search for festivals that you'd like to enter. Again, pretty simple. You can change the search parameters to fit your type of film, whether genre, duration, etc. Once you've selected a film festival, check they accept your category. Press this button, select your category, agree to any T's and C's and add it to your basket, just like any online shopping process. On Film Freeway, becoming a gold member may be a way of reducing the costs, but that math is for you to do. So I've told you the actions of entering a festival. But it's not just as simple as fill everything in, tick the boxes and away we go. You want to give your film the best chance of success and get the most out of the experience. Entering festivals can be quite costly after all, so you'll need to research what you're entering. Some film festivals may not accept your film. Some may only accept films of certain genres, formats and lengths. Sending an entry to festivals your film doesn't fit the criteria for is both a waste of money and time. You'll need to read the entry and screening criteria and make sure you can give them everything they're looking for. But the research isn't just about making sure you can enter the festival, it's about deciding whether you should. Fake festivals exist. They aim to take your money and give you nothing in return, or a meaningless laurel or award that may look nice, but when you dig into it gives you no real value or feedback. These are often characterized by being a solely online event. They offer awards for everything, and I mean everything. But there is more to it than that. And don't think the reviews can help you, because they can't. You simply can't trust them. You'll need to check out their social media presence, their websites, participants' social media posts. Do they host an event? How big is their judging team? How many people are involved? And make a decision from there. Some are obviously genuine, and some that may look fake might not be. But it is something to be careful of. Anyway, I hope that insight into film festivals has been helpful, and good luck with your entries. Catch you next time.